Welcome to Angular in 5 minutes. I'm Gabriel George,
I'm Tiago Passos.
and today we're going to talk about Angular pipes. Tiago, what's a pipe?
So pipe in Angular is something that you're going to put in your HTML to transform a value from A to B.
Right. Can we have an example for that?
Yes, definitely. So in our component here, I created this person object. Okay, so I want to bring that into our component. So let's have a look. So I'm going to use interpolation here just to bring the person. So if I save that, you're going to see that it shows an object,
Yep.
which is not very valuable.
None at all.
Right? So I'm going to use here the first pipe provided by Angular that's we're going to use to troubleshoot any issues.
Right.
So if I add the JSON pipe here, it's going to transform that object into a JSON string.
Cool. Any other type of pipes?
Yes, sure. So let's see the position of the person, and let's use the uppercase. So if we do that, we're going to print the position of the person in uppercase, which is pretty cool.
Cool. So we also have lowercase.
We
That
could
says-
change that to lowercase as well, and we would change that to lowercase.
Nice. Any others?
Yeah, so let's have a look at one that we use quite often, which is the currency. So you can see that we have a salary here for the person. And if we just print as is, you're going to see the number coming just as an integer,
Yep.
right? And what we want is to print as a currency. Okay, so that's going to add the dollar value sign.
Yep.
And the commas and dots.
And that's based on the locale of them.
That's it.
Cool.
So the other one that we use quite often is the date
Yep.
pipe. Okay, so let's try that out. Right, so if we use the person here and we print the date of birth, we're gonna see a very weird date.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna use the date pipe, and just out of the box, it's gonna show in a nice format.
Nice.
Okay. So the good thing about the date as well, the date pipe, is we can pass a parameter.
Yep.
Okay, so in this parameter can be the format of that date.
Right.
Okay, so if I put a column here and I put a parameter using the format, I'm now able to
Style the date.
style the date.
Cool. Is there any way to change the pipes?
Yes, definitely. So the pipe will receive an input and will push an output,
Yep.
right? So if you get another pipe on top of it, it's going to use the output of the previous pipe as an input of the next pipe.
All right.
Right, so we can put here, so you can see that we have 10 June in the screen.
Yeah.
If we add uppercase after, so what's going to happen is it's going to get that value and it's going to transform to uppercase.
Cool. And that's all built-in pipes. Is there any way for us to make our own pipes?
Yes, definitely. So in one of our previous episodes, we showed how to use the Angular CLI generate.
Right.
Okay, so we're going to use that to create a new pipe. Okay, so you're going to come here and generate pipe. And for this example here, we're going to create one called weekly net salary. So we can transform that salary instead of an annual salary into a weekly net salary.
Right.
Okay. So when we create that, what's going to happen is it's going to create two files. One is the unit test for the pipe, and one is the pipe itself.
Yep.
And it's also going to change the add module, so we can add that pipe into a module, so we can use anyway.
Right.
Okay. So let's go in and let's go straight to the pipe, and let's see how it works. So we have the pipe decorator here at the top.
Yep.
And we have the name of the pipe.
All right.
So that's what's used in the pipe itself.
All right.
Okay, and now we have a transform here as a value, so that's the input.
Mm-hmm.
I could have any arguments if I wanted to, but for this case here, I'm just going to use as is.
All right.
Okay, so I'm going to get the value out of it, and I'm going to divide by 52, which is the number of weeks in a year.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to multiply by 0.7. So let's say that after the tax, you only get 70%. Okay, so I'm going to save that. And now I can start using that pipe anywhere in my application, in that module.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go back to that app component. And let's update the salary here. Okay, so we're going to add the weekly net salary. So that's gonna convert that salary, and it should show now a weekly salary.
That's awesome. So thanks for watching this episode of Angular in 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed that.
So if you liked, press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Cheers.